Hi, this is Avi Frister, author of Forex Trading Machine. I created this video tutorial series with the objective of further illustrating how the Forex Flip Go system works, its details, logic, and implementation. Before we move forward, I would like to mention that it is very important that you have read in detail and understood the Forex Trading Machine PDF course. The reason being that the course elaborates in much detail the aspects of each of the three trading systems. Like with the other two systems, Forex Runner and the Forex Cash Cow system, I created 3 small videos instead of one large one. The reason being, many people find it easier to download small files rather than one large file. Okay, let's move on. I would first like to discuss the Forex Flip Go system's objective. The first objective is to have a conservative day trading strategy. By conservative, with regard to day trading, conservative in my opinion means a system that does not trade a lot in any given session. So in our case, the Forex Flip Go system trades only one trade per day, and in most cases not lasting more than 5 hours. The second objective of the system is to allow the trader a degree of freedom from monitoring the markets constantly. Now, I stress degree because unlike with the Forex Cash Cow system, there is some monitoring that needs to be done, mostly at the beginning of the trade, when the trader looks for the trade. But with regard to other day trading systems, for example the Forex Runner system, there is much less monitoring needed. So hence the wording, a degree of freedom. Let's move on to the system's logic, which is very important. Again, and I stress this, I talk about this in the other videos as well. It is very important as traders to understand the logic of the system we're trading. In my trading career, I did buy what is called black box systems, where you get the system and you just don't know what the system's rules are, what the logic behind the rules are. So it is very important as traders to know exactly why the system works as it works. It provides a lot of confidence, and confidence, again, I talk about this a lot. Confidence is something very important in order for a trader to be successful. So let's start with the system's logic. The first point to talk about is to take advantage of the price reversal that occurs in the Euro-US dollar pair in late Asian session, early European session. So this is sort of a price reversal that occurs between these two sessions. It can happen in the Asian session or in the early European session, it doesn't matter. The idea is that the market moves in a certain direction, a number of pips, as you already know it is 15 pips, and it suddenly turns around and trends to the other direction. The second point to look at in the system's logic is trade a volatile and liquid currency pair. Again, you know, I talked about this in the Forex Runner video. It is very important when you day trade and you're looking for small profit objectives and you use small stop losses to have a currency pair that will be volatile and liquid. Liquidity means narrow spreads. As most of you know by now, most brokers today will offer you a 2 pip spread on the Euro-US dollar pair. I heard that there are now brokers that will offer you a 1 pip spread. So the market is becoming very competitive in this regard. So we need a small spread in order for our profit not to be cut. So the narrower the spread, the better the chances are that the trade will be successful. Volatility. We need a currency pair that moves considerably throughout the session. If we have a currency pair that has an average daily range of, say, 50 or 60 pips, then it will not be logical to look for a 40 pip profit objective, simply because it is just not logical to say that every time we will catch the absolute high or absolute low of the move. In our case, the average daily range of the euro US dollar is about 90 to 100 pips. So if we're looking for a 40 pip objective, it is logical that 40 pips, which is about half of the average daily range of the pair, will occur in the trade. And the third system's logic, is to use small stop losses with a good risk to reward ratio. This is very crucial for a day trading system. So the Forex Flip Go uses a very small stop loss of 15 pips once the trade is entered, and then we use a trailing stop, which is also an important feature of the system. Once the trade moves 15 pips in our direction, we will cover that in the examples in the next video. And we have a good risk to reward ratio. Remember, we're looking at 40 pips profit and we're risking 50 pips. So that is also a good risk to reward ratio. So there you have it. We went over the system's objective and the system's logic, and in video number 2 and 3 I will go over some trade examples. See you there. Bye bye.